Hello guys, welcome to my channels. So today we are discussing about this uh, stochastics process. So first of all, these are our topics: limiting or stationary probabilities of Markov chains with examples. So this is our problems. So here, suppose tomorrow's probability of raining depend on whether it is raining today and not a previous day. It is rain today. It will rain tomorrow with probability 0.7, and it does not rain today, then it's will rain tomorrow with probability 0.4. So what are the limiting probability of raining and not raining? This is our problem. So first of all is define these problems with transition probability matrix. So we need define transition probability matrix. So this is our first step. So this is our problem. So where it it rain today or tomorrow, either probability 0.7. So consider rain, consider rain probability 1, and not rain is probability 0. Send our transition probability matrix. So 1 0. So transition probability matrix is 0.7. It's raining today or not raining today, 0.3. And another one is rain today, uh, does not rain today, then it will rain tomorrow with probability 0.4, and this is 0.6. So this is our transition probability matrix. So let's define the limiting probability. So consider the limiting probability. Let R1 and R2. So finding limiting probability. So this is the equations. So R1 and R2. So zero point 0.7, zero point 0.3, zero point 0.6, and zero point 0.4. So here R1 and R2. So we need to find R1 and R2. This is our limiting probability. So first of all, we calculate these equations very easily. First of all, we need define our equations. R1 is equal to 0.7 R1 plus 0.6 R2. So this is calculation here and here. So this is our matrix multiplication process, and find R2 is same process. Zero point 0.3 R1, zero point 0.4 R2. This is our equation, two equation. We know that our transition probability is R1 and R2 is equal to 1. So this is our equation 1, this is equation 2, and this is equation 3. So here we write, so R1 1 by R2. So using this formula, equation 1. So here R1, replace this formula in R1. So R1 replace this formula is R2 is equal to 0.7. Here 1 minus R2 and plus pi 2. Then we calculate easily. So this equation, first of all we need, so 1 minus R2, 0.7 minus 0.7 pi 2, and plus 0.6 pi 2, and recalculate them. So we get 1 minus 0.7, here 0.6 pi 2 and 0.7 plus pi 2, here pi 2 is here. So let's the calculate again. So finally we get 0.3 here, and in the right side we get 0.9 pi 2. So we calculate pi 2. So 0.3 divided by 0.9 is equal to 0.33. Here R2 is first limiting probability is 0.33. Now moves the second part. Our equation 2, we get equation 2. So R2, so 0.351 plus 0.4 by 2. I replace the R2 these equations, we get 0.33, 0.3 by 1, 0.4 into 0.33. So we get, so here we get finally we get this R1 is 0.656. So this is our another transition limiting probability Markov chain. This is our equations totally solved. This process totally very easy. Thank you guys. Please subscribe my channels and hit the bell icon.